No, that'll make your English teacher cry. Plus, it's so obvious. Here are some ways to make ChatGPT actually work for you, ethically.
Number 1. Use ChatGPT to clarify concepts that you're confused about.
How do Newton's laws work?
See, ChatGPT was able to give him a quick and concise explanation. It's like a tutor inside of your computer. Tip number 2. Use ChatGPT to summarize your text.
Oh no, I have no time to read this before my English test.
Don't you worry. Use ChatGPT to summarize what you need to learn.
Oh, thank God.
Tip number 3. Use ChatGPT to test your knowledge.
Give me a question to test my times tables. 56!
Tip number 4. Use ChatGPT to check your homework. Copy and paste your work into ChatGPT and get instant feedback.
Check my homework. Yippee!
Be sure to like and comment if you found our tips helpful.